Prevent fatty liver with 5 healthy drinks. Fatty liver disease, known medically as steatohepatitis, is a disease characterized by the buildup of fat in the liver. It's related to the effects of metabolic syndrome, since being overweight and high levels of triglycerides are influential factors. People who drink alcohol have a higher risk of this disease, although sometimes it develops because the metabolism and the excretion of fat is slow because of other liver problems. Although it can develop silently, some patients experience abdominal pains, fatigue, and a heavy feeling after eating. Medical attention will help to assess the severity and find an appropriate course of treatment. However, there are also some healthy drinks that will help to combat it. In this article, we review some of the main causes of the disease, as well as some natural options to help treat it. Causes of fatty liver disease. The damage done by cells in the liver due to drinking too much alcohol is one of the main causes of fatty liver disease. The toxins in alcohol negatively affect the liver and stop it from breaking down fats properly. However, as well as this cause, there are other, non-alcoholic factors that it's important to know. Being overweight or obese. Rapid loss of weight. Nutritional deficiency. Type 2 diabetes. High cholesterol or triglycerides. Hereditary metabolic disorders. Prolonged use of some medications, estrogen, corticoids, antiretrovirals, tamoxifen, or diltiazem. Symptoms of fatty liver disease. The initial stages of fatty liver disease can develop without sign of any symptoms. However, if it advances without treatment, patients may experience pain in the upper right-hand side of the abdomen, general illness or fatigue, notable loss of weight, a heavy feeling, particularly after eating, loss of appetite, nausea and dizziness, difficulty in keeping concentration, yellow skin or eyes, ictericia. Natural drinks for the treatment of fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease is detected with blood tests, ultrasounds or hepatic biopsies. Once confirmed, the doctor will suggest treatment to reverse the impact on the body. As a complement, you can use some healthy drinks made with natural ingredients. Due to their detoxifying and digestive properties, they help to reduce the severity of the disease. However, before choosing any of them, it's important to consult your specialist so that it doesn't interfere with your prescribed treatment. 1 comma beetroot juice. Rich in dietetic fiber, antioxidants, and essential minerals, beetroot juice is one of the best homemade remedies for alleviating fatty liver. The nutrients it contains help to detoxify the liver and improve the processes that eliminate excess fat. Ingredients: 2 beetroot, 2 cups of water, 250 milliliters. Preparation: peel the beetroots, chop them and put them in a blender with some water. Process it all for a few moments, until you get a smooth mixture. How to take it: drink a glass of juice before breakfast, and repeat this in the middle of the afternoon. Keep up this routine for at least 3 weeks. To kumquats. These delicious fruits have a purifying power that helps to reduce the buildup of fat in the liver. Ingredients: 3 loquats, a cup of water, 250 milliliters. Preparation: process the pulp of the loquats with a cup of water. How to take it: drink the juice before breakfast for 3 consecutive weeks. 3 kama ginger infusion. Because it contains a lot of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds, ginger is a great complementary remedy for combating the effects of steatohepatitis. Ingredients: one teaspoon of grated ginger, 50 grams. A cup of water, 250 milliliters. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 15 milliliters. 1 tablespoon of honey, 25 grams. Preparation: add the grated ginger to a cup of boiling water and leave it to rest for 10 minutes. After this time, pour it into a bottle and add the lemon juice and the honey. How to take it: drink this infusion before breakfast for 4 weeks. 4. Bolto tea. Bolto contains 2 main ingredients which help to combat the buildup of triglycerides and fatty acids in the liver cells, boldine and boldoglucine. Ingredients: one teaspoon of bolto leaves, 5 grams. A cup of water, 250 milliliters. Preparation: pour the bolto leaves into a cup of water and boil, on a low heat for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and leave it to rest for 10 minutes. How to take it: drink the infusion in the middle of the morning and repeat in the middle of the afternoon. Drink it for 2 consecutive weeks, rest another 2 weeks, then resume. 5 kama radish juice. Radishes contain natural fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds which can help to soothe the pains caused by liver problems. Ingredients: 2 radishes, 1 glass of water, 200 milliliters. Preparation: peel the radishes and cut them into small chunks. Add the radishes and water in a blender and process until you get a smooth mixture. How to take it. Drink this every other day. Keep this up for 3 to 4 weeks. Complement these drinks with some light food, low in calories and fat. Keep taking these remedies for the duration indicated for the best results.